With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have given that a recipe mix water and juice in the ratio 3:4. If there are 27 liter of water in water juice mixer, find the quantity of juice in the mix. This is given that ratio of water by juice. This will be equal to 3:4. Now we have given that quantity of water in juice mixer. This will be equal to 27 liter. Now first we find ratio of juice by water. We will take reciprocal, so this will be equal to 4/3. Now we find the quantity of juice. Now quantity of juice will be equal to quantity of juice will be equal to ratio of juice. This is ratio of juice by ratio of juice by ratio of water into amount of water. Ratio of juice by water is equal to 4/3 into amount of water is 27. So this will be equal to 3 divided 27 9 times. Now 99 into 4, this will be equal to 36 liter. So amount of quantity of juice here or amount of juice will be equal to 36 liter. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.